Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to the chat for me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to the chat for me. Come on, please respond, please respond. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. A very good morning, guys. Very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me, you can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap on the concepts which I had covered in our last class, that is on our Saturday session. So from Saturday onwards, we started discussing about callable statement. We know what is a statement, how to create a statement, how to use the statement. We know what is prepared statement and how to deal with that. We already know. We discussed about different types of result sets, like scrollable, non-scrollable, three types, two modes, type scroll forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive, conquer read only, conquer up, updatable. We already covered. Currently, we've been dealing with callable statement. When you're speaking about callable statement, we need to have an idea about procedures and functions. So procedures does not return anything, any value. Function actually returns a value basing upon the calculations what we are doing. So we already wrote one procedure. I guess everyone completed that in your Eclipse. Let's try to deal with one more procedure. Okay. In our first procedure program, we try to insert the data on two tables like EMP data and EMP sal. So right now, my intention is, okay, let me just try to open my database. All right. Just a second. System manager, set line size 200 and select star from EMP data, select star from EMP sal. So right now data is there. Now my intention is I will give one input. Please listen. Listen. Prepared statement is different. Callable statement is different. We already know that. When you're speaking about callable statements, we need to deal with either procedures or procedures deals with in parameters, out parameters also. In parameters is basically whatever the things which we have covered in our last class. We are basically giving the input. We are inserting the data. Na? Out parameters means out or in out parameters means we will be trying to give an input. Basing on that, the data will be retrieved. As simple as this. Right now, my intention is I'm going to provide EMP ID as the input. I'm going to provide EMP ID as the input to both of these tables. When I say both the tables, what are those two tables? EMP data and EMP salary. I'm going to provide EMP ID as the input and I'm expecting output EMP name, EMP designation, EMP basic salary and EMP total salary. So in these, for example, if I write 5 question marks, listen, if I write 5 question marks, in those 5 question marks, one question mark is input parameter. What is that in parameter? EMP ID. Remaining all are out parameters. Out. What are those out parameters? EMP name, EMP designation, EMP basic B salary and EMP T sal. This is what my intention is. How many queries I need to write? 2 queries. You need to respond, guys. Queries, but for those queries, there is only one input. What is that? EMP ID. I hope you understood it, right? Okay, let's try to write the procedure. I want you to write the procedure along with me. Open your laptops, please. Open the laptop, everyone. So create or replace procedure name, retrieve EMP data, retrieve EMP data. Parameters list, I need to go with E, or else simply I'll go with ID, name, designation, B cell, T cell. Now ID is, no, varchar or number. VARCHER varchar2. Name is, please write along with me. Varchar2. Designation is also VARCHER varchar2. Basic salary number. T salary is also number. Coming to ID, that is input parameter, no need to write anything. Name, that is out parameter. Designation also out parameter. Basic salary out parameter. Total salary also out parameter. Let me just try to keep it like this. One more time. Sorry, my mistake. Retrieve EMP data. Parameters list. First one, ID, name, designation, B cell, T cell, ID, VRCHA, varchar2. ID is varchar2, name is varchar2, designation is also varchar2. Basic salary number, total salary number. And these are out parameters. Just let me try to write like this. Out parameter, and here also out parameter. Name. Okay. Now begin. Let us try to write the query. Select EMP name, EMP designation. Select EMP name, EMP EMP DSG into name, designation where EMP ID equal to ID. First, please write this. Right? Start. What you're doing, start. I want you to write the procedure along with me. Please write. Start. What is the table name from EMP data? Just write this query and wait. Just the first one and wait. Please wait. Done. Buddy, completed? First, only the first query. First query is completed now? Just wait. Write the first query and wait. Now, if you observe this first query, guys, please listen. I'm sorry. Listen. If you observe this first query, select EMP name, EMP designation, DSG. These two are column names which are present in our database. Exactly the same. You need to write exactly the same. And we want those values to be inserted into these parameters. Name, EMP name, whatever the value which EMP name is having, that will be present inside this name. Whatever the value which EMP designation is having, it will be presented, it will be inserted into this designation. From which table? EMP data, where we need to give an EMP ID, na? And that EMP ID equal to ID. I hope you understand me, guys. So right now, in my procedure, how many parameters we are having? 5 parameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parameters are there. In these 5 parameters, how many parameters we are giving the input? 1. What is that? ID is the parameter which you are giving. That ID we are assigning to EMP ID. I hope you're understanding me, right? Basing on this, whatever the data which we are getting from the database, that data we are assigning to EMP name and name and designation. Please tell me, did you understand this? If you understand this, basing on this, write the second query also. Please write the second query also. Select EMP B cell, comma, EMP T cell into B cell, B cell, comma, T cell, where WHERE, where? Oh, from. We need to give the data, na? From EMP cell, where EMP ID equal to ID. Let me just try to remove this. Let me try to check whether are these working properly or not. Copy. Procedure created with compilation error. Where? 1%. Just a second. Just a second. First line is clear. Second line is clear. Just a second. Just a second. Third line is clear. Third line is clear. No. Tell me the query first, starting from select. That's it. How did I miss it? Copy. One more time. Now that is correct. Nice. Okay. Is it done for everyone? Please check. Done? Let's wait for 2 minutes. How many of you completed this procedure? Okay, down. I need more. Please write clearly. After that, we'll deal with the code. Two minutes. 2 minutes. After that, I'll deal with the code. 2 minutes. Check the spellings. Maximum check the spellings. Spellings, spaces. Make sure your column names should be exactly the same. Done. One last minute. I gave the color coding also. These all blue color are parameters. Orange color, column names. Red color, that is the input which we need to give. Green color, table names. All right. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. I hope completed. May I know how many of you guys completed? Please raise. Almost everyone. All right. Stop coding. I request you to please stop coding. Stop. Stop. Okay. Eyes on the board, please. This is our JDBC application 8. Okay, let me just try to take one more method. Void method 2. All right, this is completely another method. Eyes on the board. Yeah, system.out.println. In the same program I'm writing, guys. Is that okay? Same program, callable statement, implementing callable string statement. Implementing callable statement. Just like this. And of course, try catch exe between exception e, and I'm gonna call my connect method. Eyes on the board. Close the laptop. Eyes on the board, please. Come on. Connect method equal to con belongs to connection interface. After that, may I know? Please tell me the code. Always start from right side of the equal to. Con dot prepare call, and here we need to give our procedural function equal to cstmt belongs to callable statement. Here I am already having that procedure. I'm just trying to give it like this. Just okay. What is the procedure name we need to give? Retrieve EMP data. Okay. I'm going to give that procedure name. How many parameters? Please respond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. 5 parameters are already there. Now you tell me what I need to do right now. What is the input we need to give? ID. Let us just try to ask that ID from the user using scanner class. Already is there, I guess. System.out.println enter enter employee employee ID. Okay. After that, please make it as a habit. What do you mean by this? One more time. Always start writing the code, start analyzing the code from the right side. Okay. sc dot next line method and okay equal to e underscore id belongs to string string. Okay. After that, you know the code. Trust me, you know it. Tell me the code completely. CSTMT dot set string one EID. What do you mean by this one? First question mark, please. One means first question mark. Okay. Now, all right. We will be giving the parameter as EID. Remaining all out parameters. Out parameters. Okay. CSTMT dot no not get string. Guys, listen. Remember, get string method will be able to get the data from the result set. Yes or no? I'm not dealing with result set right now. Am I dealing with result set right now? No, I'm actually dealing with callable statement. So what I need to do? Basically, according to the procedure, where, I mean, whatever the procedure which we have stored in the database, please listen to this clearly. Whatever the procedure which we have stored in the database, This procedure is going to generate the output. That output, we need to register that output to our variables. To our parameters, we need to register them. Sir, what? Let me please. CSTMT dot register. What is that parameter? Out parameter. Okay, out. Here I'm going with 2. What do you mean by 2? Second question mark. Okay. What is the type of that second one? Yeah, string or varchar, na? It's actually varchar. TYPS types dot varchar. We are informing to the compiler that whatever the data which is coming from the database, and what is the data type of that particular data? Varchar. Sir, what is this type? You tell me, what is the type? In that class, we will be having static variables like please bit, tiny int, small int, integer, big int, float. All these are static variables which are present in the, please respond. Okay. That is good. Now, after that, that is the second question mark. Tell me about the third question mark. I'm going to write 3. After that, types dot varchar only. Why varchar? Designation is a string na? Okay. Next one. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? No, what is a column? It's a integer. We'll do one thing. Types dot, I'll go with integer. After that, one more. Total salary na? You know what? Total salary, I want to go with float. Done. Now, guys, please listen. By using this register out parameters, we are basically registering our output data into these question marks. We are registering the data. Right now the data is there. Okay. Now system.out.println, system.println, employee data. Employee data. Okay. Now just let me try to write CSTMT dot execute and employee data system dot, just a sec, system dot out dot println employee ID employee ID employee ID plus 1 2 3 4 5 employee ID, employee name, employee DSG, employee BSAL, employee TSAL. Now here E underscore, oh, just here E underscore ID. After that, CSTMT dot get string 2. We already registered the data, na? After that, come on, let's go. You know it. After that, get string. Okay. After that, get. Let me just try to go like get. Come on. Get int for. After that, get float 5. Just like this. Let's try to find out. E dot print stack trace method, and I'm going to call obj dot method 2. Let's see. Is it going to work properly or not? Please look at the code. Everything is correct. Let's find out. 3, one more time. 3, 2, 1. And the output is enter employee ID. Let's go. What is the ID I have provided? 501. Okay. 50501. And if the ID is not available, let's do one thing. Equal to boolean flag. I just want to see what would be my output. System.out.println flag. I'm just trying to print flag. That's it. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. I'm going to give something like 234. No, I wrote my catch block now. I wrote my catch block. So that is the reason I'm getting this. Whenever we are calling execute method, automatically it is going to the catch block. So fine, no need to worry about it. Already it is giving me data is not found. So I'll do one thing. Let me just try to get back here. Instead of this, system.out.println employee record not found. One more time. If I want to do a little bit more modifications, not found with plus e underscore, no, EID is present inside a try block. I cannot write. Let me keep it like this only. Employee record not found. That's it. I wrote EID inside the try block now. I cannot use that outside the try block. So fine, it's okay. No problem. Is it clear? Let's go. Start. Your turn. Go ahead. Please try. Done? Online students, if completed, please message me in the chat. Got it? Check. Don't give up. There is a mistake. 100% is a mistake. If I see, you will say, "Arey, no." Check that. Find out. Anyone completed? You. You completed 3. Don't disturb others. You want to sing a song? I'll give you mic. Let them work. Let them work. Did you find the error? First point is in your mind, don't think like you wrote correctly. Remove that thought. There is a mistake. There is a mistake. Shall I? Come. What you did? Hmm? What you kept? What you need to keep? Check that. Check that. That's what I told you. Please check that. Done? How many of you done? Please raise. 10%, only 10%. Continue. After that, we'll deal with function also. Buddy, where is the laptop? Hmm? Why? Don't do that again, okay? Tomorrow I should see your code. If not bringing the laptop, you'll be bored. Yeah, that's what. And whenever you are copy pasting, please try to write it clearly. Do copy pasting clearly. If you did not change the numbers, correctly, parameter numbers correctly, you will be getting an exception. So check them correctly. Whenever copy pasting, most of the time people will be keeping like 2, 2, 2, 2 only. Check that correctly. Don't forget to change the numbers. Yeah. Where? What? It will not work. It will not work. Sometimes it will not work. SQL. That is the reason most of the time in real time we'll use MySQL. Maybe in Spring Boot, maybe. I'm not sure. Depending upon your trainer. Done? Hmm. Primary key. Primary key. Whenever we are having a database table, primary key is mandatory. Basing on that primary key only, we'll write the logic. Primary key is not there. Then we can enter, no problem. You need to create it. If primary key is not there, then gone. Online students, if completed, please, if possible, message me in the chat for me. If done, please message me in the chat. May I know how many of you done? Please raise. One last minute, guys. One last minute. After that, we'll move on to the function. One last minute. Please. Where is your friend? Why? Solving the error. Right? Right. No problem. Solve it. Discussion always increases your coding ability. 100%. Feel free to discuss the code. No worries. Amma. Record is there.
And first,
In that particular scenario, you can write throw keyword. Throw an exception. Done. What happened? Can't fetch records more than requested number of rows. Hmm. Problem with the procedure, not with the code. Write the procedure clearly. Procedure, write the procedure correctly. All right. Time's up. I hope it's completed. Is it done? Online students, please message me in the chat, guys. If it is done, I request you to please message me in the chat. Okay, I hope it's done. So let's try to deal with function. Let's try to deal with function. Okay. Stop coding. Everyone, I request you to please kindly stop coding. Eyes on the board. All right. So let me just try to take the function right now. This is basically your function. Okay. The main thing which you need to remember whenever you are dealing with function is pretty much damn sure you need to have a return statement. That is mandatory. Okay. So create, create or replace function name. Let us try to retrieve total salary. I just want to retrieve total salary. Okay. RETRIV retrieve tsal. Just I'm writing tsal. Parameters list. Let me just try to write parameter ID where VARCH where cat 2. After that, return number salary na. It's a number. After that, as tsal. Where means variable name, which name you want to keep. tsal. Am I clear with this? Okay. And after that, what is its data type? Its data type is also number. And I just want to write only one query. Only one query. Please tell me the query. Select EMP tsal from EMP sal WHERE where EMP ID equal to ID. Only one query is enough for me. Now return Absolutely. And then please write this and check whether it is working properly or not. Please try to write this first. Please check that once. And whenever you are writing, please cross check this correctly. If it is right, okay. If that is wrong, I want you to modify. Feel free to compare with previous procedure. If it is right, okay, fine. But if it is wrong, I want you to modify. One more time I am saying, please cross check whether that selected query is correct or not. If you think it is correct, write it and check whether it is executing properly or not. If it is wrong, modify it. Okay, tell me one thing, is it right or wrong? It's not correct. It's wrong. What is missing? Yeah. Select EMP cell. Tell me, EMP cell. Is that correct? Function created. You need to check that correctly, guys. Hmm? Done. How many of you completed? Raise your hands. 1 minute, one last minute. All right, time's up. Let's try to deal with function right now, shall we? Okay, so let me just try to take one more method here, please. Void method 3 system.out.println implementing functions in callable statement. Okay, fine. Implementing functions in callable statement. Obviously, try catch exe between exception e dot print stack trace method. Okay. Now after that, I request you to stop coding connect con belongs to connection interface. Okay, okay. Please stop coding. All right. Now, for example, just for example, let us consider, you know what, why I'm directly going to open a notepad. All right. Okay. It's okay. Okay. For example, public int method one, open braces and close braces. Inside that particular method one, I'm going to write some data. All right. And obviously we need to write a return statement. I'm just trying to return 100, as simple as this. And I'm going to make this as a parameterized method, just a parameterized method. Okay. Now consider this method is present inside class A. Move yellow shirt, ice on, continue, please, please. All right. Listen, this is a method, parameterizer method. Some statements are there. Whatever the statements are there, that does not matter. A return type is there, that is int, not void. For every method, we'll be having a return type, obviously. Let us consider this method return type is int and returning 100. Now, let's consider that this method is present in class A. Let's go like, I'm trying to call my method. I'm trying to call my method. Okay, you know, I can make this as static static. Directly with the help of method name also I can call. You know that. Directly method name. Yes or no? Okay. Please try to tell me the code. I just want to call. That's it. Go ahead. I'm not using any class name. Directly I'm calling my method. Method one, and after that I need to give a parameter. I need to give a parameter, and after that yeah, equal to, okay, why equal to? We want to store the data. You need to respond, guys. Generally what we'll be writing something like int some result result like this. Yes or no? Now instead of this, obviously I'll be getting some value here, right? And just like this. Sir, what is this? You tell me. Hang on, I'm going to ask you a question. What is this method name? What is this parameter? What is this question mark? The value which is returned by that method. Yes or no? Okay. Now, coming back here, coming back to our program. Fine. All right. Con dot prepare call. And here we need to give it. Okay, fine. And here equal to CSTMT belongs to callable statement. And here just let me try to write this Exactly like that. Okay, okay. I'm going to give the string here. Fine. Call. We are calling. What is our function name? Retrieve. Retrieve T cell. Okay, okay, okay. I'm going to write retrieve T cell. How many parameters our function is having? Okay, only one parameter. And you know that that function is actually returning something. Yes or no? Let us just try to keep that question mark. What is that question mark represents? That question mark represents a returning value. And after that, just let us try to give a small colon, the syntax, just like that. Please tell me, did you understand this? Consider this just like a calling a normal method in Java. And of course, normal method in the sense, I mean to say parameterized method, parameterized method, and it is the value which is returned by that method. I hope you're understanding me. Okay, 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 okay. This is cool. This is cool. Now I'll do one thing. Obviously, I need to set one parameter. Set. I will ask the, okay, I'll do one thing. System.out.println enter, 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 employee, employee ID. User will be entering some ID, sc dot next line, okay. Now here equal to string e underscore ID. Now tell me after that, cstmt dot set string, set string. I'm gonna give you a minute time, discuss. Your time starts now. No, discuss. Hey, discuss. 30 seconds. Take time, no worries. Okay, got your answer? Got your answer, yes or no? Tell me. CSTMT dot set string one. One or two? Why two? I hope now you understand the concept clearly. Let's go. Come on. E underscore ID. After that, remember the data is coming out from the function. Coming out from the function. Tell me the code. CSTMT dot register out parameter. Come on. One. After that, TYPS types dot. Can I go with float? All right. After that, CSTMT dot execute. All right. Now after that, system dot out dot println. Just employee employee data. I just want to display like this. Employee data. After that, SYSO, SYSO, employee, employee ID, employee ID plus E underscore ID. After that, SYSO, employee, employee TSAL, employee TOTL, total salary, employee total salary plus CSTMT dot get float, get float. Come on. Let me just try to get back here and obj dot obj dot method 3, right click, run as Java application, saved it, 501, your turn. Coding is fun. No, keep that in mind, seriously. Coding is fun, don't make it complicated. Question marks, numbers plays a crucial role. The way how you are understanding matters. Directly, if I write like this, you will be having a little bit trouble understanding this. But what if we are trying to compare that with a method? That's it. Generally, for parameterized method also, we will pass the parameters. Huh? That's it. And whatever the value which is returned by the method, we can store that value. Same, exactly the same. How many of you done? Oh, I'm impressed. Nice. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. I don't know whether you're observing or not. You know, your typing and coding skills are actually much more better than last 15 days. Your typing and both coding skills also. So that's what. Starting, you face a little bit trouble, but right now, easily you are able to get that, shortcuts. All right. I hope it's done. If anyone did not complete any method, I'm just scrolling right from the top. Feel free to check, and if you need screenshot, you can take screenshot if you want. Anyone missed anything? This is method one. As I said, callable statement internally uses prepared statement. The only difference between callable and prepared statement is prepared statement will write the code. I mean, we'll write the query in the code. Query, entire query. Callable statement will store the query in a procedure or function in the database. Directly we'll try to pass the parameters. That's it. That is the only difference. All right. Please keep your siding as. Open your notes for me, please. Open, please open your notes. Go ahead. Open your notes. Go ahead. Please have this method in your notes for me. Understanding register out parameter method. Please. Okay. It's mainly used to register output parameters. Yeah, we already know that. Okay. You know what? Do me a small favor. Guys, listen. Listen. Read these 4 points. Just read. Slowly read. Read. Slowly. Done? Done? Now, honestly tell me, whenever you're reading this, in your mind, code is actually flashing before your eyes, na? That is how we need to remember the concept. Not theory, code. So, if possible, try to write it exactly like that. Otherwise, feel free to use your own words. Frame your own sentences. What you understand, right? Your wish. What you understand, right? Or else you can copy paste. No problem. It's completely your wish. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Your time starts now. Three minutes. Done? All right, guys. So that's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's sessions. If possible, I request you to kindly please message me the chat, guys. That is great. That is it. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.